I just spent $2 million US cash buying this asset. I am Simon Squibb and I am building $1 billion company in the next 700 days, and I'm going to give you an update week 2 what happened, and wow, what a week. I'm also going to show you around this house because hey, why don't I give you complete transparency about what's going on here, what my plan A and plan B is, and everybody needs a plan when building a business, right? Well, this plan is insane. So let me show you around and then let's get into this week's learnings, and I hope that you can join me in this journey to build a company in public that eventually, I hope, will also feel like your company. Let's go. So, before I take you around this house and show you what a $2 million US house looks like, I want to tell you why I bought it. The main purpose of buying this house is to prove a point in part around property ownership. I tell many people, and I believe with all my heart, that you shouldn't necessarily buy a property when you're young. Certainly, if you can avoid it, don't get a mortgage. These things stop you doing what you love. However, I do think you can leverage property, but not in the way that people think. Most people think, buy a property, hold it for 20 years, and it goes up in value. That's if you live in it. Of course, the other model is you buy a property, you rent it out, and you make a yield. My idea, in fact, is to leverage property to help people. So what I want to do is take this prototype, this MVP, and I'm going to talk about this in a minute, plan A and plan B, and why it's very important when building a business. But I'm going to take this property, and I'm not going to make £1 million profit from it over the next 20 years or a 7% yield on it. I'm going to put it to work helping people. And by doing that, I believe I can take this $2 million US and turn it into a business worth $1 billion. How, you might say? Does it sound too far-fetched, perhaps? Not really. So my idea is to build our entrepreneur house in every major city in the world. Have a place where people can come for free and stay for a week or 2 or a month and get the help they need from mentors and coaches and investors, do investor days, have celebrity chefs come in and cook for these folks and give them the businesses that are starting in these houses free exposure, in addition to therefore also contributing to society, helping those that need it by giving people access to the resources that are often only available to the select few. So for example, strong corporate introductions and help with things like pitching your business. And while all of this is happening in each of these houses, my dream, my plan is to get places like Netflix to broadcast what happens inside these houses. Now, it's not a reality show concept as such, but more like an education show that's fun. And it allows not only the people that come in these houses to get the help they need, but the people that come in these houses to get the exposure they need. And just as important, give the public watching these people a chance to support them, follow them, but I think also be inspired by them. Learn from the questions those people are asking and build a business of your own. So week 2 has been about building out and investing in the very MVP, minimum viable product that could achieve that. And that's what this house is. Yes, I spent a lot of money doing it. Many of you might be listening thinking, well, Simon, I don't have that sort of money. How am I supposed to start such a thing? Well, that's why later we're going to talk about raising money from investors, angel investors, VCs, family and friends, partnerships. There's all sorts of ways to raise money, right? And we can all agree probably the banks are broken. They're probably not the port of call these days, although I would like to see that change. But there are many ways to raise money, crowdfunding, equity, both product-based. There's so many ways. So I want to show you these ways. And in this particular case, I haven't had to go to the market and raise money, but I have in the past. But this money I'm putting in part, there's another lesson I'm trying to share with you and remind myself while I execute this business of the lesson I've learnt myself, which is you will not make a business work unless you're all in. Everybody that's made a big business work has put everything they have into that business. Elon Musk went bust after making tens of millions, 110 million, I think, out of PayPal, and then put it all into SpaceX and Tesla and almost went bust. Everybody's story is the same. If you look at Jeff Bezos and Amazon, everything he had into a business. So I feel that I have to do the same. So I will put my money into this, risk my money all in, buy a product like this, make it an MVP around the very concept I've just described to you, and if it works, it flies. I have a big plan. I am pitching this to studios. They are interested in making this a TV show. We are pitching this idea, me and my team, to partnerships and brands. They are interested in supporting us. I hope to let you know next week a big announcement where we will have a partner confirmed, but I don't want to jinx it, so I won't say who it is just yet. But we will make this MVP work, and I hope before long, maybe if you're watching this video 2 years from now, it's already happened, but we will put an entrepreneur house in every single major city in the world and give people somewhere to stay for free to start their business. We will also put it in the Metaverse. Now, this is Oculus. This is Facebook's product. I'm not a fan of Facebook. I don't know if this is going to get me banned. Videos like this get banned on platforms like Facebook, but I'm not a fan. I do believe that things need to be built in the future in a decentralized way, but wherever that final decentralized land or sandbox location, these are the places where land digitally is being bought, sold, and things are being built on that land as we speak right now in the Metaverse. I will build Entrepreneur House, this physical product I'm going to quickly show you now, in the Metaverse, and that will give people all over the world access to resources. Yes, it won't be a place for them to sleep, but it will be a place for them to come for free and get the help they need. So that's what I've been working on this week, getting these building blocks, sometimes physical building blocks, in place to make this idea work. Now for fun, let me quickly show you around this beautiful 5-bedroom house, 3 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, and potentially your home. If you're interested in staying here, then you can drop a note below saying words waiting list, and we will add you to our waiting list. In addition, of course, you can go to our website, purposefulproject.com, and sign up. And if you found any value in my insights about going all in, this whole concept of thinking big and understanding that you've personally got to put your back into it, including your family's involvement in things, if you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button, please share, please like. It helps the algorithm notice what we're doing, and it means that more people might hear this story and join us in this journey. Again, if you want to be a part of this journey, you can join us on Discord, you can contribute and you can learn, and I hope to see you there. Now, let's go. I'll give you a quick tour. Which emotion am I after? Welcome to Entrepreneur House. This is an MVP, minimum viable product, where I'm going to build a place for you to stay and get accommodation for free, food for free, and be surrounded by the world's most successful entrepreneurs to help you build your dream. Let me show you around. So this is the kitchen, and we've got heated floors, which, you know, entrepreneurs' feet need to be warmed. So I really love heated floors. It's a real luxury, and I want you to have that luxury too. So this is the kitchen. I mean, it is what it is. I'm hoping this will be a room where you can brainstorm and make your dreams come true while having good food. This is the living room. My vision for this is the mind map room. This will be where we'll blow out your business, figure out all the different ways it could go, and make it real. Forget business plans, mind map is the way to go. No entrepreneur house will be complete in my mind without a games room. This is where we'll hang out, and some of the best ideas I've ever had come when I'm not thinking about work. We'll be playing games, video games, talking about the world, hanging out in what we call a nook. This is a nook. Again, every entrepreneur house I ever build, I hope, will have this element to it. Now let me show you this second kitchen. Now this room, my vision would be that this is a recording area. This is where you can come in and create content, maybe a video to introduce your business, for example, with green screen. The ability to actually create your story in a video format, and this will be this room, the recording room. Love old houses, you know, you can feel the history in them. So we just moved into this house and we're still unpacking, so forgive the mess. But this is one of the bedrooms, so this will have 2 double beds in it, and I want people to get a good night's sleep. I think this is an underrated asset of an entrepreneur. If you can sleep well, you can work well. So here will be hopefully every bedroom very calm and have beautiful views, so you can relax at night and get the sleep you need to build your dream business. Look at that view. So we also have secret rooms, which I love in this house. So little places that you can go and hang out, no one will even know. Now, my dream is to get Entrepreneur House on Netflix and have a series demonstrating what you're doing and what you're learning. A bit like I'm documenting my journey now, but hopefully you'll have rooms you can hide in where no one can film you. And this is one of those rooms. Very slick, I know, I'm very slick. Behind the scenes, folks, look. That's
what we do for the videos.
So that's it, folks, that's Entrepreneur House. I hope you like it. I am hoping to have this launched early next year. So whenever you're watching this video, that means April 2022. We have big plans to not only create this environment here in this prototype, but build this out everywhere. And every single room will have exercise. I think health and fitness is so important. So in this room, for example, we've got a Peloton bike. In other rooms, we'll have skipping ropes, always trying to encourage people to exercise while enjoying what they build and what they do. If you want to follow the rest of this journey, building this billion-dollar company, then please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget, we go live pretty much every day. So hit that alarm bell so you don't miss the daily regular updates that we try to give you as we build this company in public, with its aim to not only help you start and grow a business for free, but learn how to build a business in real time with us. If you want to get involved, then comment below. If you have any questions about business, we always reply to comments, comment below. And if you need anything from us, please feel free to reach out.